So in my last short film, I used a sound effect which was very popular and very much appreciated by all. So the sound effect was kind of like this. But the original sound effect which I downloaded from Epidemic Sound was actually not like this. I added a reverb to it to make it kind of that dramatic and fit into that situation. So if you haven't yet watched the full short film, I will put the link in the card above so you can go and watch the short film, because it's a totally different perspective of a short film where I added some of my own elements. So now coming into this effect, we will see today how to add that reverb and make that sound dramatic by tweaking something. So the original sound effect that I downloaded from Epidemic Sound was kind of like this. Help me! So as you could hear, there is no reverb in the sound and it's kind of very flat. But to make it dramatic, we will add some reverb to it, and let's see how to do that. So for that, we will go to the effects and then we will just type reverb, and here is the surround reverb. So we'll just add it here, and now we'll go to the edit section in the effects control, and here are the main settings which you need to tweak. So there are many options depending upon the effect and how much reverb you want. So there are cathedral, deep well, drum room. So different situations and different rooms or scenarios have different kind of reverb, right? So a reverb in a small room will not have the same reverb in a large theater or any concert hall, right? So for that, let's see which sounds better. Let's first large tank, and we'll just play it for now and just hear it. It sounds already better. We just added the preset large tank and it sounds almost perfect. Now you can damp the lower frequency and higher frequency to tweak a little. So these small things can make so much difference in our sound design to fit that perfect situation. So what I actually did in the short film was I just put it to cathedral and just tweaked a little here, and I was good to go actually. So this was the sound effect I actually used in my video, and I think it was pretty cool. But there are pretty much options for the room size, to damp lower frequencies, higher frequencies, to add pre-delay and all such things. And even in the output level you have the C-wet level, then balance and all such things. So you can just play around it and see what actually fits your situation, because your situation, your film will have different scenarios than my films. So don't be afraid to play around with different settings to get that perfection in your sound design. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, because it really means a lot to me. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then consider subscribing it. So yeah, that's all for today's episode. See ya.